My name is Rebecca and I'm with Great Lakes Ace Hardware, and today I'm here to show you how to create a Christmas decor out of mason jars and LED battery operated lights. There are different variations of this sort of thing. As you can see here, you can use any kind of jar that you have at home, or wine bottles, or again your mason jars, which can be found at your local Great Lakes Ace Hardware store. Today you'll need a few different materials to create the project, including mason jars, which can be bought a 12-pack for around $13. You'll need batteries for the LED lights that you can purchase. The other items that you'll need, some twine, some galvanized wire, spray paint depending on what kind of finish you want on your jar or your bottles, and then any kind of decoration that you have lying around at home. Today we've used bows for the Christmas lights that you see over here. Your first step is going to be to install your batteries in your LED strand of lights. It's always best to start with fresh batteries. Batteries can be purchased in packages of 4 all the way up to 30 based on your needs, and that's going to depend on how many LED jars you're doing. For this strand of LED lights, you're going to need 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries. On the front of this battery pack is a push on off switch, so we're just going to push it on just to make sure that our lights work in this case. Your next step is going to be to place your LED lights in your jar. First, you will want to place the box at the bottom of your LED jar. Most people won't notice that your box is at the bottom of your jar, but if it bothers you, you can do a couple of different things to hide the box. One, you could set it on the table depending on where you're going to place your canning jar. You can adhere it to the top of your lid with some double-sided sticky tape, or you can wrap it in burlap, which we sell at Ace Hardware. The next step is going to be to replace the lid and then determine where you're going to place your canning jar. If you could place it on a table, or you could hang it. If you're going to hang it, you'll need your galvanized wire and your twine. You'll want a couple feet of galvanized wire to wrap around the top of the jar. When wrapping around the jar, you'll want to leave a little bit of slack just so that you can get in with your twine to tie your handle to hang it. I'll twist it together either with your hand or a pair of pliers. And once you've got it around a couple of times, you'll snip the excess off. You'll then cut your twine to length and attach it right to your galvanized wire. And then you're ready to hang. And now you have a completed LED mason jar. For all of the products that you've seen used today, please visit your local Great Lakes Ace Hardware. And for more know-hows, visit our website at www.greatlakesace.com. Happy holidays!